Welcome, today in front of me DOOGEE V20 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So just to do that, you should hold for a while the application and drag the zip to another one. Now we can see here the new created home screen folder on our device screen. If you want to add here more applications by the same way, just hold it and drag it here. We can add it here the name, just click here, tap to edit name, just remove the currently name and select the new one, enter the new one. For example, in my case will be apps. Click here and now we can see that our folder just renamed successfully. If you wanna just remove this folder here on the screen, hold it and drag it here. We can also move folder between the screens, that's not a problem. And if you wanna create a new screen with a folder, you can do that by the same way, just hold it and drag it to the new screen. Also, we can just remove the applications from the folder by the same way, just hold and drag the app to the home screen. But if you wanna just stay with, for example, with this app, on the home screen, you can just do it by just hold it and drag it, and after that you'll just remove all the folder. If you will just step by step remove each application from here to the home screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.